inside? Max, what comes from eggs?
Some animals hatch from eggs.
How? Max, what's happening?
Hold on!
Ah! Wow, so many eggs.
What's inside them? Daisy, look at this! A giant hammer? Let's try it.
A chick! It hatched! Why won't it open? A duck!
That egg is huge. Let's see what's inside. A dinosaur? Run! Help! Phew, she's gone. That was close.
A baby turtle!
It's so small.
It's moving! A penguin, so fluffy!
Wow, look at this egg. Whoa, a snake? Wow, it's a baby. Wow, look at this one. What could be inside? Whoa, a crocodile. Wow, look at those teeth. Look at all of them. They all came from eggs. Now I understand. Some animals hatch from eggs. That's amazing. Oh no, not again. Hold on. We're home. Finally.
Mom said no playing with a ball in the house.
I'm being careful. Uh-oh.
What happened here?
It was her. She broke it by accident.
But it was you.
I broke the vase, and I lied because I was scared.
Everyone makes mistakes, but it is important to tell the truth.
I'm sorry I blamed you.
Okay, but don't do that again.
Deal. Let's play outside instead.
Now you've really gotten smarter.
Does it hurt very much, sweetie?
It hurts a lot, Mom.
Don't worry, we'll see the dentist first thing in the morning.
We are right here for you.
You're my brave big brother. I'm brave.
Just not today.
Hello there!
Ready to see how easy this is?
This is just a little mirror to count your teeth. See? I told you there was nothing to worry about.
That's it? I'll eat you later.
Finally! Earth to Big Brother, your breakfast is getting cold.
Hey, buddy, it's a beautiful day to play outside.
In a bit, Dad.
Look at what I made. Look! Look! A huge rainbow! When I'm in.
A trout.
Hey, watch out!
No, you won't. I am too fast.
Wow, look at you both go.
Lead.
Easy, nobody is awake.
Hello, let's play. Got you.
We'll be back tomorrow.
How long will you be gone?
Can we order pizza?
Keep the doors locked. Don't open the door for strangers.
Don't worry, Dad. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Max, who is that? I don't know.
Is he looking at our house?
Let's make sure we hear him.
Hello, let's play. Perfect.
What about these? Good idea.
He won't like the fit.
Now we're ready. Do you think he'll come back? I don't know. Stay close.
Hello, let's play.
Max,